Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can edit your designs and whiteboard presentations on Canva in offline mode. For example, let's assume for instance you lose access to your internet connection, or your internet connection is unreliable and you go offline, or you simply on purpose want to keep editing your design in the offline mode on Canva. Let me show you how to do that. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your project. Let me go with that whiteboard presentation. And what you want to do, guys, is click into this cloud button here at the top, all changes saved. And then as you can see, the given design has been converted into the offline mode. Now I have already done it for that, but you will see a button here, make available offline. Click into it, and after that the converting process will take place. It may take a couple of seconds, and after that you will see this badge here, available offline. So then now, if you, as previously mentioned, if you go offline with your internet, you will still have the opportunity to add changes to your design here, and these changes will then be saved for the given design version, so that you can continue editing later when you're online again without losing any edit progress here, or editing progress. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day.